Does your air filter look like that? Because if it does, you should buy some new ones that look like this. Does your intake look like this? Where you have sawdust everywhere inside your intake? Like a good layer of it too? A good enough layer to be like, you know, it's just a wee bit of a problem. Yeah. It's just a little much. So you could just take the air compressor and blow this out. But, just go to Amazon or wherever you can find these at, eBay. Somebody in China is making these things, right? And they all look the same. Get 3 of them for the price of one steel one, because either way you look at it, this one leaks. Okay? Alright. Now, because I'm a failure at operating a camera, I've already made 2 of these, meaning I've already made 2 of these videos that didn't record correctly. So, as you can see, the only thing I really did here, right, just made that hole bigger. Okay? This is the factory one. This is the one I'm about to show you what to do. See the difference? So what you're gonna do is you can find you a drill bit, and you're just gonna very simple, okay? See how that watered out real quick? Just very simple thing right quick. Alright. And then all you're gonna have to do from there is just a little bit of a cut. Now most of these, if you get a decent one, are made out of some carbon fiber reinforced plastic. I don't remember what it's called, but it is reinforced, so you can hear that. You hear that? It's reinforced. So all you gotta do is cut it off. Just make it flat. Only reason you make it flat is because when you put it down on here, it will this has to clamp down on it. Has to clamp right down on there. So you want to make that flat. And as you can see, mine already fits with what I did with the drill. But you want to go back in there and kind of clean it up a little bit. Just a little bit. It does now fit on said saw that it did not fit before. Okay, now it's not going to just pop on there like the factory one will. Okay, you're going to have, so the factory one just slides on there just like that. It's on there. Now you're going to have to take these Chinaman ones and finagle them a little bit to get them to go on there. However, that's also a good thing because it's actually a tighter fit, believe it or not. You may have to modify this little top part right here, but you get your finger in here on the top part, and then you work your way on down the sides. You should feel little clicks and clacks as you do it. If you don't feel little clicks and clacks as you're pushing it into it ain't gonna do it. You see, as you see now, it's on there. I'm gonna show you one good little trick that's gonna save your saw and many other people's saw, mine, yours, whoever else that potentially watches this video, is where you got air coming in and dirt. You do what the old timers used to do. You get you a little bit of grease and you tap it up on there. Okay? Now, you're thinking to yourself, well, isn't that going to suck into the soil as well over time? Yeah, well, probably. Yep. But what would you rather have in your chainsaw intake? Grease or dirt? Flammable lubricant or greasy sandpaper? What would you rather have? Gritty sandpaper or lubricant that's flammable? I know what I'm going to pick every time. And then you shove back on the thing. You got you a brand new air filter and you got 3 more for the same price as you buying one. Oh, don't